Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving a word problem about a garden border. We will set up an inequality using the perimeter formula. Solve it step by step. Write the answer in interval notation. And graph it on a number line. Here is the problem. The width of a rectangular garden is 8 feet. A gardener has at most 50 feet of border edging. What are the possible lengths of the garden? Let's start by visualizing the problem. We have a rectangle. The width is 8 feet. The length is unknown, we will call it L. The border edging goes all the way around the outside of the garden. That means we are talking about the perimeter. The key formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is P equals 2L plus 2W, where L is the length and W is the width. We know the width is 8. And the gardener has at most 50 feet of edging. At most means less than or equal to. So the perimeter must be less than or equal to 50. Step 1. Define the variable and set up the inequality. Let L equal the length of the garden in feet. Substituting into the perimeter formula. 2L plus 2 times 8 is less than or equal to 50. Simplifying 2 times 8 gives us 16. So we have 2L plus 16 is less than or equal to 50. Step 2. Subtract 16 from both sides. 2L plus 16 minus 16 gives us 2L. 50 minus 16 gives us 34. We now have 2L is less than or equal to 34. Step 3. Divide both sides by 2. Since we are dividing by a positive number, the inequality sign stays the same. 2L divided by 2 is L. 34 divided by 2 is 17. So we get L is less than or equal to 17. Now here is an important real-world consideration. The math gives us L is less than or equal to 17. But a garden length cannot be 0 or negative in real life. So we also require L to be greater than 0. Combining both conditions, the full solution is L is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 17. Now let's write the answer in interval notation. Our solution is 0 is less than L, which is less than or equal to 17. For the left endpoint, 0. We use an open parenthesis because 0 is not included. The length must be strictly greater than 0. For the right endpoint, 17. We use a closed bracket because 17 isn't included. The gardener can use all 50 feet exactly. The interval notation is open parenthesis 0, 17, closed bracket. Now let's graph the solution on a number line. We place an open circle at 0, because 0 is not included. We place a closed dot at 17, because 17 is included. Then we shade everything in between, from just above 0 to 17. Let's put the answer back in context. The garden length must be greater than 0 feet and at most 17 feet. The gardener can make the garden any length from just above 0 up to and including 17 feet. And the 50 feet of edging will be enough to go all the way around. Let's recap everything. We let L equal the length of the garden. Using the perimeter formula P equals 2L plus 2W. We substituted to get 2L plus 2 times 8 is less than or equal to 50. Simplifying gave us 2L plus 16 is less than or equal to 50. Subtracting 16 gave us 2L is less than or equal to 34. Dividing by 2 gave us L is less than or equal to 17. Adding the real-world constraint that L must be greater than 0. The final solution is 0 is less than L, which is less than or equal to 17. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.